Auto heat press. Two preset mode. Save your top 2 recipes. 20s auto transfer for fabrics. Smooth loading, unloading with burn protection and enhanced safety. Effortlessly place bulky garments like hoodies. 3 adjustable pressure levels. Crisp and detailed prints. Switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit as needed. Instantly reheats between presses. No more limitations on thick projects.